The first time I tasted paneer ghee roast was when I was traveling towards the south, and I loved it. And then I thought, why not make this in the keto form? So here comes a delicious, very easy keto paneer ghee roast, and you're going to just love it because you're not bothered about the quantity of ghee. You can easily manage it. Hello and welcome to Magic in My Food. This is Jyoti Dalmia. So let's begin with the keto paneer ghee roast. Make this delicious paneer ghee roast, I am going to first take a pan, drop in some ghee into it because I am going to fry the paneer. And here I am dropping the paneer or the cottage cheese cubes in it. If you are a non-vegetarian eater, you can add your non-vegetarian portion instead of paneer, like chicken or mutton. So fry it on medium to high flame until it becomes golden in color. Yes, I'm going to roast it from all sides. Just toss and turn. Be careful so that it does not get burnt. See, beautiful golden color. It has taken lovely color. And my paneer is almost done. Now I'm going to take it out on a plate. Trying to squeeze out some oil with the help of the tongs. And the remaining ghee, I am going to use it for the cooking of the dish. So now I am heating another pan. You can use the same pan, but actually I needed to roast these dry ingredients. So I have taken a pan. I am roasting the red Kashmiri chilies. I am using red chilies, dried red chilies, and that you can use the one which has more color and which has less of the spiciness. The one I am using is the Kashmiri red chilies, which is more towards the color than towards the spiciness. I have removed the seeds from it as much as possible. It's done. I'm taking it out in a bowl. And to the same pan, I am going to drop the coriander seeds. Some fenugreek seeds goes inside it. Some cumin seeds. Here goes the fennel seeds. And some cloves. Just saute it a bit so that it becomes aromatic. You can feel the crispiness. It will turn a bit golden in color, and it's done. Within seconds, it takes the color. Shutting the stove, taking it out in the bowl, which already had the dried red chilies, the roasted red chilies. So this is the perfect masala or the spice mix. And I am going to powder it. Yes, I am going to make a paste out of it. So I am going to add some more ingredient. Here goes the garlic, some ginger goes into it, some lemon juice goes inside it. And some water because I am going to make a paste out of it. So after churning, see, beautiful red color, gorgeous red color you can see. Perfect consistency, finely pureed. You can make the paste and store it for a long time. Even simply freeze it in your freezer, so whenever you want to make it, you just take out the paste and make the paneer ghee roast. And this you can make with your non-veg ingredient, even non-veg proteins like your chicken, mutton. You're going to just love it. And also those who are vegan, they can make it with the tofu. And now I'm going to prepare the paneer ghee roast. So for that, I'm going to Heat the pan. I have just sieved the ghee through the strainer and dropping inside into the pan. Finely chopped onion goes into it. Saute it until it becomes translucent. This is a dish which can be enjoyed both by the keto and the non-keto people. You can reduce the quantity of ghee and use it or drop extra according to your macro requirement. Dropping the paste into it, that is the puree of the dried spices, dry and wet spices. This looks so gorgeous, beautiful. And I'm going to stir it. Cook it on a medium flame. I'm dropping some water inside the mixer jar. Shake the mixer jar and drop the remaining liquid from it, the paste from the mixer jar. Just cook it until the ghee separates. Can you see the ghee separating? And now I'm dropping some cream into it. This will engulf the extra spiciness. Some salt goes into it. That would add flavor to my dish or the taste. And some sugar-free stevia. A little amount of it would give a lovely flavor to this dish. Just cook it up. And now comes the golden fried paneer goes into it. You can use tofu, you can use chicken, you can use mutton. Whatever you want to use, whatever protein portion you want to use, you can use that even. And can you believe I used this gravy once for my veggies even, and it tasted damn good. Even with the cauliflower you can use it, or with mixed veggies you can make or use this gravy even. So this is a lovely ghee roast gravy. Just saute it. See, my dish is almost done and I'm dropping some fresh curry leaves to add some extra flavor to this dish. This is optional. If you want to add, otherwise no need to add. And my recipe is done. Beautiful color. So my paneer ghee roast is done. I'm serving this with fenugreek thepla, of which the recipe is provided above and also in the description box below. And here I'm serving the paneer ghee roast. Lovely color. Dropping some finely chopped coriander leaves over it. This will add some color even and also enhance the flavor.
This recipe, I know you are going to love it. So before making, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and post comments and queries. I would love to answer it. And don't forget to press the bell icon so that you get the notification about my next video. And also don't forget, I post healthy nutritional knowledge on Tuesday and keto low carb recipe on Friday. Unless if the festival comes early, I try to post it Wednesday or Thursday even, so that it becomes easier to follow or make that recipe on that special day. Thank you.